Yeah. They said I wouldn't make it out. Watch me now. Oh, started from the block. Yeah, started from the block where the street lights flicker. Started from the block where the street lights flicker. Mama worked 2 jobs just to make ends thicker. Every night I prayed for a way up out. Now I'm writing rhymes with the clenched up fist and doubt. They doubted every step, called my dreams a joke. Now I'm turning ashes into gold, watch the smoke. Never had a handout, never had it easy. Built my own throne when the world tried to seize me. Rise up, from the ground we stand. Every scar a story, every step we plan. Rise up, island breeze and steel. We've been through the fire, now we finally feel real. I remember cold nights with an empty plate. Turn my pain to power, turn my fear to fate. Every enemy became a lesson learned. Every closed door was a bridge I burned. Now the sun hit different waves, rolling slow. Reggae in my blood mixed with concrete flow. I ain't chasing fame, I'm chasing peace of mind. Left the old me somewhere far behind. Sun go down, but the fire don't fade. Every struggle turned to strength that I made. No more looking back, no more living in fear. Just gratitude and rhythm, that's why I'm here.